All right, minutes after, Satish Upadhyay from the BJP held a press conference countering every charge made by Arvind Kejriwal from the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal has now just tweeted, and we want to take our viewers through the response of Arvind Kejriwal, the reprisal attack coming in from Arvind Kejriwal. And he says, Satish ji, diverting issue, forget other CEOs. Has he not been a director and shareholder in the NCL Info Media Private Limited? Did it not supply meters to BSES? Well, he's asking another question. That is after Satish Upadhyay right now, just about 20 minutes ago, held a press conference taking on the charges made by Arvind Kejriwal earlier today at 2 p.m. and said very clearly that he gives Arvind Kejriwal 24 hours to furnish proof and not to resort to what he has always done, which is to shoot and scoot. But right directly after that, what Arvind Kejriwal has done is he has tweeted. We are taking you through his various tweets. The latest is where he's also said no dealing with BSES after 2012, but weren't all meters supplied only before that. Now, this has come in connection with what Satish Upadhyay said earlier, where he stated that there have been no dealings after 2012. And this is a question that Arvind Kejriwal is raising after the press conference, stating very clearly, but were not meters supplied before 2012. I want to immediately cut across to my colleague Ankit Tyagi. He's been attending both the press conference. He was there for Arvind Kejriwal's press conference at 2 p.m. and right now at Satish Upadhyay's press conference. Ankit, can you take us through the very latest? It just seems now that all gloves out and it's open war right up to the Delhi elections. Take us through, the attack launched by Arvind Kejriwal to the reprisal by Satish Upadhyay, and now Arvind Kejriwal hitting back again.
Well, Delhi might be cold, Preeti, but the political war is completely heating up as far as the elections in the national capital are concerned. Arvind Kejriwal today hit out at the BJP Delhi President Satish Upadhyay, saying that he's the man who is responsible for no action by the BJP against the power companies. Also, in a slight hint, said that it is because of his connections with the power companies that the BJP is not doing enough, or in fact pressurizing the power companies to go for the CAG audit that his company, that the Aam Aadmi Party government last year had started. Also saying that they were directly involved in the supply of the meters which were faulty. This is a direct, Arvind Kejriwal somehow, electricity is a big issue, somehow trying to tell his core vote bank that it is the BJP and their interest, that is why electricity rates are not coming down. Now, Satish Upadhyay has taken it a step further. Right. He comes out and says that if Arvind Kejriwal can prove these allegations, he said that he has, whatever companies that he has been involved with, they have never supplied any meters. And if Arvind Kejriwal can prove these allegations in the next 24 hours, he will resign as the president of the BJP.
That's the question I want to ask you, Ankit. Can Arvind Kejriwal actually prove the allegations he's made, or is he going to, the classic case of what has been earlier on, shoot and scoot?
Well, more or less, it is a battle of perception. Arvind Kejriwal and Satish Upadhyay both playing to the gallery, trying to win as much as eyeballs, in fact, as they can. There are certain papers that Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, today also flashed, saying that there are these companies, Satish Upadhyay as a shareholder. Whether that is taken on, Satish Upadhyay is saying that he is going to take him to the court. A criminal defamation case would be filed against him. And most likely the Aam Aadmi Party is going to say that they will now go ahead in the court and will prove their allegations. But as of now, I don't see much happening on the proving part of these allegations. It is just a battle of perception that is being fought.
Right.
And so far, Arvind Kejriwal drawing first blood. The BJP right now has other problems also. They are yet to come out with their list of candidates. Arvind Kejriwal only engaging Satish Upadhyay for a little bit more time.
So what we're basically looking at, Ankit, is only political rhetoric with absolutely nothing to prove.
But they say that they have proofs. In fact, they have also, Aam Aadmi Party have also sent some papers in which, according to them, they have shown that Satish Upadhyay's company is involved in providing services for the electricity meters. Satish Upadhyay is saying that they are, Ashish Shoo, Satish Upadhyay's aide and also a BJP secretary, is saying that they are only involved in maintenance of these meters. They are not involved in selling these meters. So the war of words is on. There are certain papers that the Aam Aadmi Party is flashing, but I don't see much happening on that front. It is only if Satish Upadhyay decides to take Arvind Kejriwal to the court, we would know whether Aam Aadmi Party genuinely has some solid proof against Satish Upadhyay.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Ankit. We'll of course keep coming back for the very latest on that story. So what we've got today, pretty much it is now battleground Delhi. The war of words have already begun. You just heard 2 p.m. Arvind Kejriwal launched a press conference taking on Satish Upadhyay. Satish Upadhyay, in a reprisal, had his own press conference answering back to Arvind Kejriwal, asking for proof. The Delhi BJP president hit back at the Aam Aadmi Party for the allegations made against him. Dismissing Arvind Kejriwal's charges, Satish Upadhyay has said that he will file a criminal defamation case against the Aam Aadmi Party chief tomorrow. He also says that AAP's claims were unsubstantiated and that his companies have not done any business with the BSES since the year 2012.
केजरीवाल साहब की दुखती रग को क्योंकि हमने छेड़ दिया था और निश्चित रूप से केजरीवाल एंड कंपनी की जो झूठ फैक्ट्री है, उस फैक्ट्री ने उनको लगा कि अब किसी तरह से हमारी दाल नहीं गल रही है, तो हम कुछ इस तरह की चीजें लेकर के आते हैं जिसमें हम व्यक्तिगत चीजों को, मैंने संविधान पढ़ा है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा है, और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर कहीं ये नहीं लिखा हुआ कि किसी को अपनी घर गृहस्थी चलाने के लिए, रोजी रोटी चलाने के लिए, परिवार चलाने के लिए व्यवसाय करना कोई गुनाह है। निश्चित रूप से क्रिमिनल डेफेमेशन कल ही डालेंगे। पहले भी वो इन सब चीजों में आ चुके हैं। हिट एंड रन की पॉलिसी उनकी है, और अगर ये दोनों कंपनियां नहीं मिली और ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो फिर वो निकलकर ऐसे ही भाग जाएंगे या राजनीति छोड़ देंगे।
Meanwhile, the gloves clearly off in the battle for Delhi, with the Aam Aadmi Party chief training his guns on Delhi BJP President Satish Upadhyay, which was earlier again at 2 p.m, alleging a nexus between Satish Upadhyay and power discoms. Arvind Kejriwal accused the Delhi BJP President of owning 5 companies that are allegedly working with power distribution companies. He says that the BJP should come clean on the conflict of interest and its leaders' ties with power suppliers in Delhi. Kejriwal later also questioned Satish Upadhyay through his Twitter handle. He asked Upadhyay to reveal how many meters his company have supplied to BSES so far. Listen in.
श्री सतीश उपाध्याय जी की 5 और कंपनियां हैं। इन बाकी कंपनियों के भी बिजली कंपनियों के साथ क्या संबंध हैं, वो सतीश उपाध्याय जी क्लियर करें। और चुनाव के बाद जब आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी और हम बिजली कंपनियों का ऑडिट दोबारा करवाएंगे और बिजली कंपनियों के मीटर की टेस्टिंग करवाएंगे, तब जब सतीश उपाध्याय जी नेता विपक्ष होंगे तो क्या वो उसमें टांग अड़ाएंगे, विधानसभा में बाधा पहुंचाएंगे, या आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार को शांति से इन कंपनियों का ऑडिट करने देंगे? वो इसको भारतीय जनता पार्टी साफ करे।